In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Format Cells option in Google Sheets when you're working on a desktop. This is a crucial skill for anyone who wants to customize their spreadsheets, making them not only more visually appealing, but also more functional and easier to understand. So, whether you're a student, a business professional, or simply someone who loves working with data, this quick tutorial will ensure your sheets are as polished and effective as possible. To get started, first, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. This is a simple step, but it's important to ensure that you have the correct document open that you'd like to format. Once you have your Google Sheet open on your desktop, turn your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu bar with several options laid out to help you navigate and format your sheet more easily. Next, look for the option labeled Format in this menu bar at the top. It's part of a row up there that includes other familiar commands like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on Format, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to a variety of formatting tools that Google Sheets offers to help you personalize and organize your data in ways that best suit your needs. In the drop-down menu under Format, you'll notice several categories you can choose from. These include options like Number, Text, Font, and Alignment, among others. Each of these options serves a different purpose. For example, selecting Number allows you to change how numbers are displayed, such as formatting them as currency or percentages. The Text option helps you adjust how your textual data appears, whether it involves sizing, font style, or bolding. Meanwhile, Alignment enables you to decide how your data is positioned within the cells, which can be especially helpful when organizing complex information. The beauty of Google Sheets is the level of control you have over the spreadsheet's appearance. By using these formatting tools, you can make your data more readable and visually coherent. You might want to align columns for aesthetic or comparative purposes, or perhaps you want to highlight certain figures by changing the font style or size. Whatever your goal, these features are designed to be intuitive and enhance your overall experience, and that's where you find the Format Cells option in Google Sheets on your desktop. With this newfound knowledge, you're now ready to dive deeper into your world of spreadsheets, making your data work for you in the most efficient way possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop comments or explore more of our tutorials. Happy formatting!